This is the Week 9 update for the Belleville Square Water Main Replacement Project. In the last week, we've made a lot of progress on the project. We've been doing a lot of street patching and getting ready for the paving operations. We're also running the new water line to the fountain as we speak, actually. So that'll help give us a good steady flow of water for the fountain. Downtown Belleville is a challenging place to work. We don't necessarily have mapping that goes back 100+ years that tells us where all these assets are. So a lot of times the first time we have information is when we open up the pavement and start digging a hole. Last week we did some cut and caps of the 8-inch line that runs south on 159 and feeds the YMCA here in Belleville. And when we did that cap, we inadvertently cut off one of the main supplies of water that goes down 159. They still had water for most of the businesses there, but the YMCA was suffering from low water pressure. The YMCA staff was great to work with, very patient with us while we did some research, investigation work to try to find out what we had to do to fix the problem. Last week we had some very high sustained temperatures, daytime temperatures reaching over 100 degrees. Anytime we have extreme weather like that, we do have a lot of water main breaks, whether it's extreme heat or extreme cold. Last week, the St. Louis area was suffering from water main breaks throughout, including Belleville, where we had multiple water main breaks that were very close to the downtown area that were due to the heat and not related to this project at all. Looking forward, this week we're going to continue doing the patching work. That should be finished up soon, and continue making that new connection to the fountain. All the service transfers have been done. So really looking forward, it's really becoming a paving project at this point. Once we get the patches done, we'll be rolling in here next week with the paving contractor. They'll mill and resurface the square area, and we'll have fresh new pavement down. Yeah, to the local businesses and residents of Belleville, just want to let them know that we're nearing the home stretch here. We're going to be done in the next couple of weeks. Ahead of schedule, we're still hoping. Even with the snags that we hit with the weather and some of the challenges with dealing with underground utilities, we're still ahead of schedule.